Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Roam research content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with the Wallem app. Wallem, as detailed on their documentation page at docs.wallem.io/wallem/wallem-app, offers a unique approach to interacting with your Roam research database. It functions as a mobile-first application designed to streamline the capture and retrieval of information within your Roam graph. Instead of directly replicating the full desktop Roam experience, Wallem focuses on key functionalities that are particularly useful on the go. Think of it as a complementary tool, enhancing your mobile Roam workflow rather than replacing the desktop version entirely. One of Wallem's standout features is its simplified interface, optimized for quick note-taking and task management. This allows for a frictionless experience when adding fleeting notes, tasks, or ideas on your mobile device. The app is built to seamlessly integrate with your existing Roam database, ensuring that any information you capture on Wallem is instantly synced with your main graph. This bidirectional synchronization ensures you have access to your most up-to-date information, regardless of whether you're using Wallem or the desktop version of Roam. Furthermore, Wallem provides a streamlined method for reviewing your daily notes and tasks. This is particularly beneficial for those who use Roam for daily journaling, planning, and task tracking. The app presents this information in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to stay organized and on top of your daily agenda. Beyond basic note-taking, Wallem also facilitates more advanced Roam features like creating and navigating nested pages and blocks. This allows you to maintain the hierarchical structure and interconnectedness that makes Roam so powerful, even when working on your mobile device. Wallem's approach acknowledges the inherent differences between desktop and mobile usage patterns. Recognizing that mobile interactions are often shorter and more focused on capturing information quickly, Wallem prioritizes speed and simplicity. This design philosophy makes it an ideal companion for those who find the full desktop Roam experience cumbersome on a smaller screen. For users looking to enhance their mobile Roam workflow, Wallem presents a compelling solution. It's a dedicated mobile app that simplifies core Roam functionalities while maintaining seamless integration with your existing Roam graph. If you're interested in exploring a more mobile-centric approach to Roam research, I definitely recommend checking out Wallem.